how to fix login with Google, Apple or Facebook not working. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix login with Google, Apple or Facebook not working. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're not being able to log in either with Google, Facebook or your Apple ID account to your Tinder account because you had actually signed up to Tinder using those services, let us explore the options that we have. The first thing is you just have to make sure that your internet connection is working just fine. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa. After that, on the app, normally you can see one of my profile is actually saved. So what I can do is I can just tap the login button there in order to save my account. Otherwise, you can tap on this trouble signing in button and you can try to log in using your email instead. So if you have access to your email address, just enter your email address over there and tap on the send email button. And as soon as you tap on the send email button, you'll be able to get a link to your account, from where if you tap on the link, then you will be successfully logged into your account. But other than that, if you had logged in using a Google account, Facebook account or your Apple ID, then in that case it will be automatically verified and it will automatically log into your respective account. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. I hope the video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.